Hello, and welcome back to WhatTheInfo. This is Chapter 3 of our AI Basics series, where we are learning artificial intelligence step by step, just like a book. In the previous chapters, we learned what AI is and the different types of AI. Now it's time to answer one of the most important questions. How does AI actually learn? AI does not learn the way humans do. It does not think, feel, or understand meaning. AI learns by finding patterns in data. This process is called machine learning. Machine learning is a way of teaching computers to learn from examples instead of giving them fixed rules. Let's understand this with a very simple example. Imagine you want to teach a child to recognize cats. You don't explain biology or anatomy. You simply show the child many pictures of cats. Over time, the child starts noticing patterns like ears, eyes, and shape. AI learns in a very similar way. We give AI a large amount of data, such as images, text, or numbers. The AI looks for patterns inside that data and learns from them. This is why data is so important for AI. No data means no learning. There are three main ways AI learns using machine learning. The first is called supervised learning. In supervised learning, AI is trained using labeled data. This means the AI is shown examples along with the correct answers. For example, pictures labeled as cat or dog. Over time, AI learns to identify the difference. The second type is called unsupervised learning. Here, AI is given data without labels. It tries to find hidden patterns on its own. This is often used for grouping data, finding trends, or detecting unusual behavior. The third type is called reinforcement learning. In this method, AI learns by trial and error. It takes actions and gets rewards or penalties. This is how AI learns to play games, control robots, or make decisions step by step. Now, it's very important to understand one thing. AI does not understand information the way humans do. It only calculates probabilities. This is why AI can sometimes make mistakes. If the data is bad, biased, or incomplete, AI will learn incorrectly. So when people say AI is intelligent, what they really mean is that AI is very good at recognizing patterns. Nothing more, nothing less. If you are enjoying this AI learning series and want to understand AI clearly from the basics to advanced topics, make sure to subscribe to WhatTheInfo. Now here's a question for you. If AI learns from data and patterns, then how does it learn to understand language, images, and speech? That's exactly what we'll explore in Chapter 4, where we'll talk about deep learning and neural networks in a very simple way. Subscribe to WhatTheInfo so you don't miss the next chapter.